Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Madhukar Dwivedi, and today I am going to unbox and review one book that I recently have purchased through Amazon. If you really were interested, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So guys, I'm going to unbox it. So let's get started. So there is a wonderful packaging through Amazon. I think that's why they have charged 70 rupees delivery charge to me. Let's get started. So here is the book that I have purchased, and that is simply a bill of my name. So guys, it's a wonderful novel, Colossal Fame by Palak Tripathi. I just recommend you just because if you see its hardcover front page, that's so much impressive. That's urge you to read it once. And the novel is so much mysterious, so I can even not tell even you a single word about that because it will kill your curiosity. Go and purchase it. The author, at the age of 17, she had written this beautiful novel, and after 6 months, I will reach age at 20. But still I don't have anything to proud myself. Main thing is to tell you that do something in your life so that you even die, but after all that people will appreciate you and like you. It is not tough and complex like the other novels are in the market. So third point, that it contains many of the good words and phrases which definitely helps you in building your vocabulary. And the point is that it will remove your hesitation of reading novel. Actually we just afraid of we didn't read any book, and we just think that it's so complex, it contains a lot of difficult words, so we don't read it. But once you read it, your all hesitation of reading books will remove. So definitely one day you become a wonderful reader of the book. So if you like my this unboxing and review, just give me a big thumbs up and appreciate my work. Thank you.